Hello guys, in this video we are going to take a walk on Pattaya Beach Road at dusk or sunset. This is Pattaya Beach that I'm currently standing on, and behind me is a beautiful sunset. I mean, let's face it, that's nice, right? It's nice. So, video on Pattaya Beach Road. I'm kind of going to let you guys see things in the background. I don't really want to point the camera at people, but just because it's not really a cool thing to do. So, without starting any arguments or having any problems, you can kind of see on the right hand side of me what is on Beach Road and what is not. But there's not a lot of people here, to be totally honest with you, and I'm a little bit curious. Not really curious, a little bit worried about why that is, to be honest with you, because I feel like there should be some more people here right now. And we have, check this out, we got a box that's making noise, and then the lights are following the box. See that? Yeah, I don't know if that's dangerous or not. Who cares, right? It's not a big deal. But we'll take a little walk down here, and it's dusk, so this is typically when you would see Beach Road starting to line up with Thai ladies that are interested in some companionship, some friendship for however long you tolerate them or they tolerate you. But I don't see a lot of that going on. I do like the fact, let me show you the Beach Road itself. Beach Road is super wide now. I mean, it's really, really wide. Very different than it was about a year ago. Very different. Also, if you guys can see behind me, there is that tower, that's a lifeguard tower. I've never seen that before on this beach, ever. And I've been coming here for the better part of 2 years, so not really something I'm used to seeing. And there's some other things around here I'm not used to seeing either, but hey, it happens. What can I say? When we walk back, I'll show you kind of the other side of Beach Road, and you can see that it's a little more lively. This is kind of the step up here, that's what I call it. If you keep going that way, you get to Walking Street. I hope to take a tour of Walking Street tomorrow. That's my plan. I hope it works out. I really hope my plan works out. I hope the weather works with me. So this is going to be the other side of Beach Road, and you can see there are some things open over here. I don't want to lie to you guys to say that you know, everything's closed down, because it's not. There's a lot of things that's open, but the hotels and the professional massage parlors and those things, those are pretty much shut down. And if they're not shut down, they have very few people in there at a time, because they just don't have clientele. And you can't really blame them, because there's nobody here. It looks, when you look at Beach Road and you see the cars going by, you would think, wow, Jeremy, that looks kind of cool. Like, people are actually here, and you know, there's people in Pattaya, and people are spending money, and it's good. But the fact of the matter is, this is nothing compared to what it used to be, and that's what bothers me a little bit. So anyway, there was your little quick tour of Beach Road and Pattaya Beach. I did a live stream on Pattaya Beach. If you want to see it, I'm sure there's a link to it somewhere. I will see you guys on the next one. Whatever you do today, make sure you subscribe, like, and do more life.